Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to change sound settings on your Xiaomi Mi TV 4S. First, go to the settings icon, then scroll down to device preferences. Next, go to sound settings. At the top, you can enable or disable system sounds. As you can hear, when I move between functions, you can hear the system sound. When we tap this feature, we turn it off, and now we only hear the click of the remote control button. You can also change the sound mode between standard, movie, news, game, and custom. When you pick custom, you can set the equalizer details, but I'll stay with standard mode. You can also choose between TV speakers or external speakers. And here you can adjust the digital output delay. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, remember to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel.